Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You are going to love the 2023 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, stability control, sports suspension, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.